On Workman, you can either log in as a client or as a worker. Or log in as a client, you use your email to log in. And once you get your email, you can log in and it will bring you to the landing platform. And then you can select what service. It tells you what your location is. And then we can select our service. I'm going to use a testing service, which is what we use to test. And we can find all the providers there. Some that are online or some that are, or you can go back and select a different service, which is, let's say, plumbing service. And I'm looking for drain and leaks. I would find the closest provider, and you can view the provider. You could look at their about. You can look at the pictures. Here's some of the reviews. And you can now decide if you want to contact. You can either call directly because we wanted them to have a direct access, or you can do a research. If you do a request, you can request for an immediate service, or you can schedule an appointment for that person, and you can confirm your appointment. And this is how it goes. It goes over to the provider. Once the provider receives the appointment, the provider then gets a notification, and on that notification, the provider can now choose to respond if they are available. Once the provider accepts, then you can start to communicate with the provider. And once the job starts, you can call the provider. You can make payments. And once the job is complete, you can then create a job completion, or you can choose to cancel. If I choose complete, you give them a ring. Then you write your review. You can submit, and then that's all. And at that point, you can go ahead and your job is done. And if you need to go look, you can see your payment history. You can look at the completed jobs, which is the one I just did, and some other, your favorite, and some other thing. And that's how it works.